Hey everyone, it's been a while and will probably be a while until the next video. Going through a lot of positive changes at the moment, and as I'm going through those changes, it's also giving me some time to reflect on what the future kind of holds for FusedVR. At the moment, what I'm thinking of doing in this very quick update video is going through some of the key projects that we've been working on over the last several years and seeing how we can package them and put them out there as kind of open source projects so that the rest of the community has access to those. And so in this video, I just want to quickly show what we've done with the ChainAuth backend to make this a fully open source project right now. So as you know, the last project that we were working on was ChainAuth, which you can find at crypto.fusedvr.com. And that is now fully, completely open sourced as a solution here on GitHub. If you go to github.com/fusedvr, most of it anyway was open source. The one thing that I've now gone ahead and put up is the ChainAuth backend. So really the thing that's powering all of the APIs. This is a pretty massive Node.js project that's been built out over multiple years actually, and there's a lot of requirements here that you can go through and read on the README explaining how the project is set up. Honestly, if you're looking for a template Node.js project, I've put in a lot of time and effort using best practices to build this out. So I think it's actually going to be really cool to have this out and available as a kind of complete backend solution that anyone can go ahead and implement off of. And there are a lot of reasons for putting it open source right now. There's some future plans that I have that I'm kind of looking forward to this being an open source project to build on top of. And moreover, there's just a lot of alternative solutions that are out there. If you look at, say, Web3 Auth, for example, or Magic Connect is another solution that's out there, and several others as well in that Web3 authentication space, that I just felt like, given that a lot of companies are working on the space, having a nice open source alternative might be a good thing for the community to have as well. We have the server and kind of everything here already still powering, and I plan to keep that up for the foreseeable future. But if you ever need to spin up any of the back end, the front end, that is all available here on GitHub, and you can easily replicate all of this and fork this code and build on top of it. And I think that's going to be the really exciting part of this project moving forward. That's pretty much all I wanted to show in this video. If you have questions or want to see something specifically covered about the backend in more detail in future videos, please let me know down in the comments, or you can head over to Discord and reach out to me as well there. And look for probably one more project that I'm going to see if I can get packaged better into an open source solution as well. And then I'm really kind of looking into what I want to do in the future with this channel, because I think there's a lot of opportunities that are out there, and trying to figure out what that right fit is still something I'm thinking through and working through. But excited to share that when the time is right. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch everyone in the next one. This has been FuseMan, and I'm signing out.